Let's begin this inner smile meditation by finding a comfortable place and just taking a couple of nice long deep breaths. Just relax into where you are, relax into your energy, relax inside yourself. As you inhale, draw the breath deeply into the abdomen, into that power center. And then as you exhale, let the abdomen relax and release, and the breath to effortlessly come out through the nose. This meditation is called the inner smile and is a way to build healing energy in your body. So visualize yourself watching a sunset or a sunrise with this golden light on the horizon. Feel this golden light shining on your face. And this light lifts the corners of the mouth just ever so slightly and creates a smiling energy between your eyes. The smiling energy on the face sends a message to raise the vibration in your body, to uplift, to elevate your internal state of being. When we're smiling, there's a message to the body to rebalance, to cultivate health, vitality, and inner joy. Feel this golden light from the horizon shining on your face like a personal connection to the universe. Your own personal energy source connecting to you and filling you up with more energy and vitality. Take a deep breath. Draw this energy into your face. Golden light soaking up into every cell in your face. Your own personal connection to the universe filling you up as you receive it and draw it in. Draw this energy into your face. Let it fill up your whole cranial area. Let it soak up into your brain and calm and relax your mind. Again, inhale, draw the energy into the face, into the head. Now when you exhale, exhale through the mouth and visualize any cloudy gray energy going out. This is called washing the mind. So we breathe in the smiling energy, breathe it in as golden light, and when you exhale, visualize any cloudy gray energy going out, goes down to the earth to be recycled. Washing the mind, washing away old thoughts, old ways of thinking, creating space for that golden light of creativity and intuition, that golden light of feeling connected, on purpose, and guided. Inhale through the nose, exhale softly through the mouth, and feel your whole upper area, the whole cranial area, full with light, with wisdom and clarity. Now let this energy, let this smiling light go from the back of the head and move down through your spine. Breathe light, energy, vibration from the back of the brain down through the spinal cord. Inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, and we'll cleanse and clear the nervous system. Inhale golden light through the brain, back of the head, down through the spine. Exhale out through the mouth, cloudy and gray energy going out. Breathing in light and exhaling out stress and tension. Feel it washing down all the way down through the spine so that all the nerves are vibrating at this higher frequency, resonating with your inner potential. Breathing in golden light, exhale cloudy and gray, and feel that energy going down from the upper back to the mid back, all the way to your lower back, until it reaches the sacrum. Your whole spine is a pillar of golden smiling light. This light is absorbed into your nerves and spread through the whole entire body. you take a deep breath, allow that light, that smiling, healing energy to move through the body like electricity, as if the circuitry in the body is turned on and flowing from the head to the fingertips, from the head all the way down to the tips of the toes. Now feel this golden light moving through the muscles of your body. It's like warm oil moving through the muscles, untangling tension, any constriction or knots or contraction in your muscles. Just feel them relax. Take a deep breath and feel your neck, shoulders, upper back relax. Like warm oil poured through the muscles, down through the mid-back, all the way down through your lower back. Your body is relaxed, it's vibrating, and it's full of healing energy. Smile some golden light from the face, draw it in from the universe. Smile it down to your heart center. Fill up your heart center with smiling, loving, compassionate energy. Let that loving energy and that compassionate energy stay within you. Turn that loving energy inward and fill yourself up with gratitude. This is the most healing energy in the universe, and allow that energy to regulate and balance and harmonize inside your body. Smile into the heart. Breathe golden light into the heart. Exhale out through the mouth, cloudy and gray, releasing out through the body. Old emotional energy, anything that's feeling limiting in your heart center. Allow the potential in your heart to be revealed. Smile to the heart, breathe it in, exhale, cloudy, gray, goes out. As you let go and release emotional stress, love, compassion, kindness emerge very naturally. Let this smiling energy from the heart start to spread through the rest of the body. As the heart beats, chi and light and energy move through the electrical system of the body, through the meridians, from the heart center down the arms, from the heart center through the abdomen, from the abdomen down the legs all the way to the toes, full of loving energy, full of healing, full of radiant golden light. Use this power and this smiling energy to just direct and help to regulate any areas in your body that might need a little extra healing. Turn your attention to anywhere in your body that needs healing energy and fill it up with golden light. As you fill up that area in your body with golden light, again, exhale, cloudy, gray, any sick energy goes out. Let yourself just be immersed in healing light. Smiling energy is a way to cultivate gratitude, healing, and empowerment. Let the whole body be filled with golden light. Take a deep breath. Feel yourself shining with internal energy. Feel yourself radiant, smiling with the universe. Take some long, slow, deep breaths. Let every cell in your body soak up this smiling energy.